Hello guys, this is Art and welcome to my channel Kifimon. Hello everyone. Yeah, so actually this is my very first video here in YouTube that is Pokemon related, and so I guess before I unbox this cutie right here, which is the newest set from the Pokemon, the Twilight Masquerade, this booster bundle. Maybe let's get to know each other first. But anyway, I am Art and I am from the Philippines, and actually I just started collecting Pokemon cards now. Actually, just now. This is actually my first booster bundle that I bought. But actually, I used to collect Pokemon cards when I was like, I don't know, 10 years old. But I got busy on my high school life and college life that I forgot Pokemon, and I sold all of my Pokemon collections before. But here I am now, back again with this Kifimon. I think for my Filipino viewers out there, if ever I do have one, I think you guys will know what I mean with Kifimon. But but anyway, that's the story about me collecting Pokemon. Yeah. So I guess let's not waste our time, and now let's open this booster bundle by the Twilight Masquerade set. Here we have it. And also, just for everyone's knowledge, I actually bought this. Wait, let me just open this. I actually bought this on Maxsoft. So for every Filipinos out there who are watching this video who's also into Pokemon, you guys can actually bought Pokemon cards on Maxsoft online. I'll link their shop or their Shopee shop on my bio down there below. And also, you guys can also buy on Toys R Us. Yeah, Toys R Us, and actually your local hobby place on your if ever you have one there at your location. But anyway, here we have the booster bundle now. My God, I have cold. I'm sorry for that. But anyway, I didn't expect that this would actually be this small. Like for ratio for the size comparison, this is how small the booster bundle is. I thought it's so big because when I watch YouTube videos people unpacking booster bundles, I thought it was big, but I guess it's just a camera play. But anyway, let's start opening this Twilight Masquerade. Here it goes. Oh wow, so it's not like the past Temporal Forces booster bundle where the packaging is different. I think this is similar to the what we're used to. Okay, so we have here 6 booster bundles. Anyway, as well, I really hope that we could get my chase cards. My chase cards are the EV one because it's really cute. I love that one, and also, I also love the Greninja full art as well, and also the Ursaluna one. And as for the trainer cards, I also love which was it? Yeah, the Perrin one paired with a Growlit full card one. I really love those as well. So anyway, I also before I unpack this booster packs, I also receive a free card from Maxsoft. Wow, I wonder what's this card is. But anyway, yeah, I really highly recommend guys buying cards to Maxsoft because they really pack their booster bundle well. Like as you can see, it doesn't have any dents on it. And also you also get a free Pokemon card from them. Okay, I wonder what this is. Unlock a special research line in Pokemon Go using the code printed on your pro. Okay. And the Pokemon card that we got is Professor's Research, and we also have the code here. I think this could be used on Pokemon Go and stuff like that. Anyway, thank you, Maxoff. Anyway, guys, this is not sponsor, obviously, because I'm not that big of a channel yet. But Maybe soon, Maxo, if you could sponsor me. Baka naman. Baka naman. Like Tagalog. Anyway, let's start unpacking this booster packs now. So we have here this. I think this is Dragapult. We also have Sinischa, the Ogrepon one, the Ursaluna, another Ogrepon, and another Greninja. Alright, so let's not waste our time and let's start unpacking. So I really hope that I would be lucky on this one because I just recently watched unpacking video of booster bundles and it's not going well for everyone, and I hope I would not get the same luck as them. I hope that I would be lucky for this one. But wait, I think I need scissors. Oh my god, this is so hard to unpack. Wait. Okay, I'll be getting my scissors. I'll be back. Wait for me. Anyway, hi, welcome back to me. I already have my scissors here, so now let's start unpacking this Pokemon cards, which are from Twilight Masquerade. Oh my god, this is so... Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking. What if I cut the actual Pokemon cards themselves? But anyway, we already have it here. Let's go. And we'll also be giving away this code, which you can use or claim to the Pokemon TCG game online. So if you guys wanna win all of the code here, stay up until the end of this video because I have something for you guys to answer so that you guys could win this one. But anyway, I'm just gonna save it here. Alright, for our first card, this is a fire energy. Shanks. Oh my god, I'm seeing it. Polchagis. Let me just fix that. Polchagis. Varoom. Watrel. Palafin. Oh, I love the artwork on this one. This is illustrated by... Oh my god, I can't read it. Legton. Did I read it right? We have Palafin. Heracross. Handheld fan. Oh my god. If you guys are from the Philippines, you know you need this one whenever you go outside because it's so hot here, like for real. Alright, we have our first reverse holo. We have Chansey, Revabroom, and for our last card, this is Okidogi. Okay, for our first pull, it is not going well. But I hope we could get a better one after this one. But anyway, let's move on to our next pack. But anyway, as well, guys, if ever I do have Filipino viewers out there, I just want to ask how do I join like Pokemon tournaments, like TCG stuff like that? Because I don't have an idea here in the Philippines on how would I be able to join those kind of events. Because I really want to try, participating on like Pokemon TCG stuff like that. But if ever you guys have any idea, please bring me to like beginner stuff because I'm still a beginner here when it comes to Pokemon. Alright, we have here the code again. Oops, oh my god. Oh my god, the camera is not cameraing. Charis. Okay, let's do the card trick. And I really hope we get something from this one. Okay, we have Psychic Energy. We have Shinx, Poltergeist, Varoom, Watrel, Bug Catching Set, Aggro. Oh, I love this card. Clefable. Oh my god, I also love the illustration in this one. Ambipom. Ambipom. Sandslash. And for our last card, this is Pheasant DPT. Oh my god, it's not going well as expected. My god. Booster Bundle, please be good to me. Please give me like any illustration rare. I badly need one. After all, this is my first unboxing video on my YouTube channel as well as for this set, Twilight Masquerade. Okay, we have now the Ogre Pawn one. Alright. Just clean the mess out here. Okay, I really hope I could get something for this one. For our energy, I think this would be an electric type. I'm just kidding. This is a fire type energy. Okay, fire type energy. We have Whirlipede, Crawdont. Also have Farfetch, Torkoal, Glaceon. Wow, I really love this one. Is it the same illustrator? Okay, it's different. It's from Marika. Sandslash, Iron Bundle, Hassa for our first reverse card, Timber, and for our last card, this is... Oh my god! We have an hyper rare. Is this hyper rare or ultra rare? Oh my god! Actually, this is now one of my... This is actually one of the chase card that I wanted to pull. Because, oh my god, this is so cute. Look at the illustration. We have Lannis 8, everyone, for our first set. Okay, okay. The luck is going. It's giving. It's giving. Alright, we have Lattice 8 for our first illustration rare. Congrats to us. Look at the illustration. It looks so cool. Alright, let's move on to our next pack. Alright. My god, I did not expect getting Lannis 8, but you know what? I love it. But also, I also hope that we could get like Pokemon illustration rare as well, aside from trainers. Alright. For our, I think this is our 4th pack. Oh my god, I really hope we could be lucky on this one. Let's go. For our first card, this is Metal Basic Energy. Oh wow, I love the illustration on this one. This is Venipede, Aron, Sandshrew, Chansey, Poliwrath. Oh, I love the illustration on this one as well. Scolipede, Bugcat. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm sorry. My camera died and I didn't notice. But anyway, I forgot putting Lannis 8 on a sleeve. So let's put it on her sleeve. A pink one. Which is really cute. Alright, so let's now move on again. So we have Love Ball, Reverse Holo. Also have Glimmet. And for our rare card, it is Sinistra. Oh, I really hope I could get the illustration one, full illustration one as well of Sinistra. Because it's really cute. But anyway, we're down to our last 2 packs for today. So let's now really hope that we could get another rare card, you know, like full illustration one. Because if I don't, I'll cry. I'll cry and buy another one, and it's too expensive for me. Right? First off, we have Grass Energy. Also have Tangela, Clefairy. Oh, that's cute. Shinx, Poltergeist, Ambipom, Aggron, Cook. And for our first reverse holo, we have Poltergeist, Zermanitan, and for our rare card, we have... Oh, I think this is an EX. Luxray EX! Wow, that's so cool. And I also love the holo part of it where it has like sparkle pattern on it. Wow, I really love this one. Alright, let's put her. Yeah, she's a she. She's a her. Okay, let's put her on her sleeve. Alright. So now, guys, we're down to our last pack. I really hope we could get at least one of my chase card on this one. Let's have the last pack magic on this one. I really hope we could get Greninja or maybe the Perrin trainer card. Or the Eevee one. That's my favorite one on this set. Alright, Dragapult, please don't let us down. right. Anyway, again, just to notify you guys, I'll be giving away all the code for Pokemon TCG. So if you guys wanna win this one, you guys should be up until the end of this video, okay? Alright, for our first code, we have Water Energy. Oh my god. Is this a water for Greninja? But anyway, we have Water Energy. We have Varoom. We have Watrel. We also have Volbeat. We also have Goldeen. Oh wow, that's a nice illustration. We have Goldeen. We have Clefable again. We also have Tatsugiri. Oh, I also love the illustration one of this one, the full illustration one. Also have Furry Giraffe. For our reversal, we have Drippy. We also have Payon. And for our last one, we got Chandelure. Okay, we didn't. Oh my god, we didn't get any of my chase card for this one. But at least we didn't, end this unpacking video without any full illustration rare, because we got one, and this is Lannis 8, and I think I love this one. This is a cute card as well. And we also got a Luxray EX. Alright. But I didn't get any of my chase card. I thought I was lucky because like a week before this, because I was waiting for my order, which is this Twilight Masquerade. So and I can't wait to get this one. So I go to our my camera died again. But okay, as what I said, yeah, I go to our local Toys R Us here in the Philippines, and I randomly bought 2 blister packs, and from that blister packs I actually got a ultra rare full illustration rare Cypher Maniacs code breaker. So I really thought I would be lucky on this one, but I guess luck doesn't always come. Okay. But it's not bad because at least we got Lannis 8 and Luxray EX, right? And they're really cute, these 2 cards, especially this Lannis 8 one. I actually love the other illustration for this one. The one where she's with other Pokemon, I think. I forgot which Pokemon was that. But yeah, here's the picture that I was referring to. But anyway, since earlier I mentioned that I'll be giving away all these codes. Yeah, this is 6 codes for Pokemon TCG players out there. So if you guys want to win this one, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel. And after subscribing to my channel, please comment down below what is your chase card with this Twilight Masquerade set. Yeah, that's all, and you can win all this code, which you can use on your Pokemon TCG game. Okay, I hope someone will join this giveaway, because if none of you will join, I'm gonna kill my no, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna kill myself. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, but anyway, that would be all, guys, for my video. Again, this is Art from the channel Kifimon. I hope you guys would be able to come and watch me again with my future videos. And I also have my TikTok as well. I hope you guys could follow me on my TikTok. So anyway, that would be all, guys. I hope you guys had fun unpacking this booster bundle with me. But anyway, that would be all, and see you guys again in the future. Bye.